Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. So for the rule, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. Eureka! This one is called Cliff Token.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Guys, really important to note that Clifford is not just another Dogecoin spinoff or just another meme coin. This one, guys, Cliff is the token ticker, being a deflationary token that has a 10% liquidity pool, which is sent directly to the dead address where the coin is burned. This feature means that the coin is designed to be less volatile over time, guys. Furthermore, Cliff token describes itself as an anti-whale, meaning that maximum wallets are limited to 0.5% of the supply at launch. Additionally, guys, there's a 5% increase in fees to minimize any swing trading. They've received a security score of 89 on their CertiK audit, which we will be going over in just a little bit, guys. And in this video specifically, I want to discuss the project itself, as well as the ecosystem, their use case, and their tokenomics, as well as their roadmap, of course, and all of the green check marks and huge milestones that they've already accomplished, guys.
Imagine investing in a token that pumps itself, a token that is programmed to go up in price all the time. Clifford Inu is the first smart contract of its kind. A smart contract that literally acts like a whale and makes huge buybacks on the chart. The Clifford Inu contract works by having a high liquidity tax that bolsters the liquidity pool. The excess liquidity can then be used to make large buybacks, sometimes in excess of $100,000, with the only limitation being the size of the liquidity pool. Here's some highlights about Clifford Inu's performance. We have over 8,500 holders within the first 10 days. With an all-time high of $200 million market cap, we achieved that within 4 days. A 400x, 40,000% gain at the all-time high, starting from the original market cap, with over $10 million in buybacks. Clifford also acts as a decentralized investment powerhouse. So far, Clifford has purchased over $200,000 of UST stablecoin to be used for staking, a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT number 3242, worth $215,000. A 9x9 plot in the digital land, the Sandbox, right next to Dogecoin. $100,000 worth of Ethereum name service, aka ENS tokens. Other blue chip NFTs, including Wolf Game NFTs and Doodles. Check out cliffordinu.io and click through to follow all the socials. Of course, for any financial decision, always do your own research and invest at your own risk.
Super lit and clear video by the team, guys. I do want to say congratulations to the Clifford team on this excellent project, the way that they've structured it, the tokenomics, the ecosystem, everything, how it's going to be working. It looks very enticing for investors, guys. Definitely something you're going to want to do your own research first on. And as you can see at the top here, guys, we got Etherscan links, their CMC link, CoinGecko, and their CertiK audit. So let's take a quick look at some of those, particularly CMC and their CertiK. And here they are on CMC, guys. They are about 6% up today, guys. Rank number 3,506. Token ticker, as I mentioned, is Cliff CLIFF. And if we take a quick peek at their chart down here, the growth has been interesting to follow. They have had their ups and downs, guys, just like any other token. Their chart looks fairly healthy here, and I'm glad to see that they're at a higher point than they were earlier today. Now, a little bit of a different story for their 1 month chart. They were at a higher point last month. They've come down a little bit, but never fret, guys, because this isn't a death sentence for them. We just got to give it some more time, let people invest, increase awareness, that kind of thing. Their community is very strong. I have no doubts at all that this one's going to be bouncing back, especially given the fact of the principles of their ecosystem. And if we scroll down even further, guys, we got some Cliff price statistics here. Price change, 24-hour low, 24-hour high. Their trading volume, their volume and market cap. And finally, at the bottom of the page, we have the markets. They're on Uniswap, of course. Their top volume is on Bitmart, which is about 50% of their entire volume, guys. We have more details on their depth here, their volume, and their liquidity. Here's details on their audit, guys. With Certic, they are ranked number 251. Their security score was 90 out of 100. Very good rating, guys. Their full audit is available here. We scroll down, they had 15 total findings. 1 was critical, 2 were major, 2 were medium, 5 minor, 5 informational. Their critical one was just a logistical issue, and the other issues were like centralization and privilege. Logistical, again, their mathematical operations, volatile coding style, gas optimization, that kind of thing. More details with Skynet, guys, the 24/7 running security intelligence engine. They're talking about static analysis here, on-chain monitoring, social sentiment, governance and autonomy, market volatility, safety assessment, etc. Scroll down even further, we have the sentiment analysis here. They're talking about their Twitter activity and social keywords aggregated by Certic. More details on market volatility as well, guys, like their DEX liquidity metrics, total liquidity just under 700,000, daily volume a little under 80,000, and top exchanges, on-chain monitoring. The list goes on, guys. Now on their website here regarding the project and their ecosystem, let's read what they have to say first. One of the main issues cryptocurrency projects face is the lack of continuous volume. Definitely, guys, when you think about it, that is a problem. This problem dampens marketing and development during low volume days and weeks or even months. Cliff solves this by hedging a portion of the marketing wallet into yield bearing assets to generate additional income that can be used to develop further market and in the future reward holders with Ethereum through Red. Cliff's long-term vision is to dominate the metaverse ecosystem, guys, which they call Cliffverse. They plan to have land in the various ecosystems on Ethereum and other blockchains, develop unique experiences, and generate revenue from advertising on said lands. It's looking pretty strong, guys. I like what they're saying about this. And we even have the opportunity to explore the Cliff ecosystem further. They also have details on their New Year's Eve 1 million burn and their sandbox development. Now, when examining their use case, Cliff not only grows inwards, but outwards as well. He will not only be growing through buying the Cliff supply, but will do so using a portion of the marketing funds to create his own investment portfolio. Cliff will be investing in blue chip NFTs, land assets, and creating experiences in the metaverse. Profits will be reinvested into Cliff, as well as developing their project. Moreover, this strategy opens the doors towards partnerships with other projects that they might support by investing in and growing their community through partnerships. Let's check out the tokenomics here, guys. We got details on their buy taxes and their sell taxes. Regarding the buy, we have a 6% liquidity pool in which 6% of every buy transaction is converted into liquidity. This is automatic, guys, and it helps to create a price floor and stability. 5% for their marketing. They set up a marketing wallet, 5% of the supply for every buy transactions to help support their marketing outreach in the coming months. When it comes to their sell taxes, 8% liquidity pool, 8% of every sell transaction is converted into liquidity. This is automatic and helps to create a price floor, like the stability as well, guys. And 7% for their marketing. Again, they set up a marketing wallet, 7% of the supply for every sale transaction to help support their marketing outreach in the coming months. Little disclaimer regarding those figures, guys. Cliff taxes are subject to change according to market conditions. However, guys, the contract is hard-coded and will never go above 20% taxes on buys and 25% taxes on sales. Furthermore, taxes will be decreasing gradually as Cliff grows in market cap. Now, regarding their roadmap here, phase 1, they have crushed significant milestones as I mentioned before, guys. They had their token launch, their first automatic burn, their coin market cap listing, CoinGecko listing. They had a set burn time frame with holders, their marketing campaign rollout, and their use case reveal, acquisition, and 10,000 holders. As for phase 2, they had their Certic audit. They had their win function rollout, their staking Bitmart listing. That's again where 50% of their volume is being traded, guys, on Bitmart. So needless to say, the Bitmart listing was very advantageous. The aggressive marketing campaign, their bi-weekly Medium articles, their Gate.io listing is coming, guys, which is a huge exchange, as you already know. Their Bitfinex listing as well. Their DApp dashboard, they're gonna have 50,000 holders. And as for phase three, guys, they want to pursue more exchange listings. Like flowing into that is also their Big Red Swap, their Binance listing, top 5 exchange listings, Sandbox Land Development, their DAO features, Cliffverse, strategic partnerships, Project Red, 100,000 holders. You guys are probably wondering, how do you buy this token? That is, if you've already done your due diligence and you are interested in what I'm saying. Well, good news for you here, guys. They got steps on their website for ease of reference. What they say is that Cliff currently runs on the Ethereum network, which means it can be best purchased and sold through Uniswap. Cliff is a decentralized experiment project. As such, they're always recommended to use decentralized exchanges. If you choose to use a centralized exchange instead, remember to research it first to ensure it is both safe and secure. If you want to swap on Flu's trade, you can do so as well, guys. They have the Ethereum and Cliff function swap right here. You just got to hook up your wallet and you're good to go. You can also buy Ethereum using Google Pay, Visa, Apple Pay, and MasterCard directly with this link right here, guys. Your other options to buy this token other than Uniswap is on Dex Tools, Bitmart, Hotbit, LBank, and Mexi. They also have a quick start guide here, which is very useful, guys. You're going to create your MetaMask wallet first using either a desktop computer or an iOS Android mobile device. That's going to allow you to buy, sell, send, and receive your Cliff tokens. From there, guys, you're going to send Ethereum to your wallet. You can buy Ethereum directly on MetaMask or transfer it to your MetaMask wallet from exchanges like Bitmart, Ethereum, etc. From there, guys, you're going to connect your wallet to Uniswap. Connect your wallet to Uniswap by clicking Connect Wallet and selecting MetaMask. From there, you're going to swap your Ethereum for Cliff. You can start swapping as soon as you have Ethereum available. Press select the token and enter the token address or search for it in the tokens list. Lastly, guys, make sure you hit up their Telegram group. All of their information is here. Join the Cliff army, guys. And here is their Twitter page where they are fairly active as well. Make sure and check them out. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out.